Hello my dear students, welcome back to your innovation board and I hope you all have paused the previous video. As we all go in summer vacation somewhere for traveling and enjoying our holidays. कुछ लोग अपने नानी के हाउस जाते हैं, some goes their uncle aunt's home and some goes other places. But can you tell me, how do you go for traveling? Or one place to another place? Yes, we go from different transports. Now what is transport? A system or means of conveying people or goods from place to place is called transport or transportation. We use different means of transport to move from one place to another. We take a bus, car or train if we have to travel. And for some other works, also we use transport, such as we use transport to supply goods. They take us to our workplace, they help us to reach school, they help to visit our friends and relatives, they are used for exercise. Some vehicles can be used for racing and adventure also. But in olden time, how did people travel? जब बस, कार, ट्रेन ऐसे ट्रांसपोर्ट नहीं थे, तो एक प्लेस से दूसरे प्लेस लोग कैसे मूव करते थे? Let's come and know. Long ago, the early people could travel only on foot. They had to carry load themselves. Then they started using animals to transport themselves and their goods. In olden time, people invented a wheel. People started moving and carrying loads on carts fitted with wheels जिसे human या फिर animals pull करते थे. After some years, the second invention came with the invention of the steam engine. It was invented by James Watt, जो कि 240 years ago इंग्लैंड में बनाया गया था. It was the first train. At about the same time, ship का भी invention किया गया था, and it has become possible to transport heavier loads much faster now. With time, और भी invention होते गए. लोगों ने स्टीम इंजन को रिप्लेस करके पेट्रोल, डीजल और इलेक्ट्रिसिटी से चलने वाली ट्रेन का इन्वेंशन किया. Now, these engines are used to run various types of vehicles on land, sea and air. They travel much faster and carry much more load than the earlier vehicles. Nowadays, people are facing many problems because of increasing traffic. Most of large cities in the world have traffic problems. The roads are quite congested due to the large number of vehicles. This causes air pollution and accidents. The underground railway or metro is one way to reduce congestions on the roads. So kids, as you know, practice makes a man perfect. So after learning about some important points, now it's time to attempt question based on the content transport. Answer the following questions. First question is, how did early people move from one place to another place? Early people पहले कैसे one place से another place जाते थे? Who invented the steam engine? ये steam engine किसने बनाया? What is transportation? ये transportation क्या होता है? What are the ways to reduce road congestions? ये बताओ road congestions को कैसे reduce किया जाए? Who was James Watt? ये James Watt कौन थे? That's it for today kids. We will meet again in next video.